Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are here to discuss about how to learn faster and more effectively while making learning fun. Learning isn't supposed to feel like a chore, but when all you are doing is rereading notes, watching endless lectures, and cramming facts with zero context, your brain just checks out. The truth is, passive learning is slow and ineffective, and the pressure to perform kills the joy of discovery. But what if I told you learning can feel like a game and still be 10 times more effective? Let's talk science. The learning pyramid shows us how retention skyrockets when we move from passive to active listening. Teaching others, you will remember 90% of it. Hands on practice, 75%. Visuals, group discussions, they help too. But just reading, that barely sticks. The trick isn't to study more, it's to study better, using strategies your brain actually loves. Want to double your speed instantly? Teach it back. Take what you just learned and explain it like you are teaching a friend, or better yet, a younger self. This is called the Feynman technique, and it forces your brain to organize knowledge clearly. Record yourself. Say it out loud. Teaching isn't the end of learning, it's the beginning of mastery. Ever studied something for hours only to forget it in a week? That's the illusion of learning. Cramming feels productive, but leads to memory loss. Real retention comes from spaced repetition, reviewing at increasing intervals. And don't just read, recall. Use flashcards, apps like Anki, or quiz yourself. Your brain grows through effortful retrieval, not passive review. Your brain isn't one dimensional, so why should your learning be? Mix it up. Use color coded notes, sketch concepts, speak while moving, walk while studying. Create vivid memory palaces to store information in rooms and spaces. The more senses you involve, the faster and deeper you learn. Think of it like turning up the volume on your brain's memory amplifier. You know why games are addictive? Constant feedback, clear goals, dopamine rewards. Why not apply the same mechanics to studying? Set goals like levels. Use Pomodoro timers with rewards after each session. Track your streaks. Compete with your past scores. Apps like Habitica or Forest turn your study sessions into a game, and your brain loves that. Want to stop zoning out? Make learning personal. Don't just memorize a formula. Ask how it shows up in real life. Use that new programming concept to build a mini tool. Use psychology to understand your friendships. Learning hits different when it's relevant. Once it becomes your story, you won't need motivation. Curiosity takes over. Let's rapid fire a few daily habits. First, study in sprints. 25 minutes focused, 5 minutes rest. Second, do a brain dump right after learning to cement the knowledge. Third, switch subjects to avoid mental fatigue. And finally, reflect weekly. Track what's working and where you are growing. Momentum is built one day at a time. Here's the truth. Learning doesn't have to be painful to be powerful. In fact, when it's fun, it sticks. Your curiosity is the best teacher you will ever have. Build systems that make learning automatic. Reward yourself. Explore with joy. Because once you enjoy learning, you will never stop growing. If this video unlocked even one new way to learn faster, hit that like button. Drop a comment if you are ready to level up your brain, and let me know which strategy you will try this week. Subscribe if you are on that lifelong learner grind, because we are just getting started.